Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Hyundai Tucson SE, stock reference number 4360. This shape runs from the 8th month 2004 through to the 1st month 2010. It has a G6BA 2.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. G6BA 2.7 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand rear. We have the bonnet, which has no dents, or one small dent, and a little bit of the paint peeling at the front edge. Radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, a few scratches and chips here and there, but still good. Left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left flared type guard, appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Have the left power door mirror, also has a bit of paint peeling on it. Left front door has two small dents. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door has one small dent, as does the left front door. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and the left power door mirror, with right-hand power door mirror, which seems to be discoloured. With the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey cloth centre console lid. Centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke leather steering wheel in grey with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.